The Valley View School District wants to make sure that all of you have access to Infinite Campus for Parents. If you go to www.valleyview.org, there are at least 2 different ways to get to Infinite Campus for Parents. If you scroll down, there is the Parent Login for Infinite Campus tile, and you can click on this link right here. You can do the same thing from every school's webpage. All schools are set up with the same landing page that has Parent Login as a tile at the bottom. The second way that you can access Infinite Campus for Parents is to hover over the Parent Students option from the menu bar and go to Infinite Campus and click. Infinite Campus is not only available on the web through your browser, you can have it on your smartphone by going to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. If you click on either one of these icons, it will take you to where you can download that app. From here, you can click on this to go to Campus Parents, or here. Once you're here, you'll want to put in your username and password. If you can't remember it, you can click Forgot Password or Forgot Username. You can also call your child's school's main office to help with getting this information. You also have the option to change the language the page is displayed in. Scroll down to the bottom, click on the language, and find the language you would prefer. Initially, you should land on the home page. It has almost all the relevant information you might want to see about your student. You can see their food service balance, their schedule, upcoming due dates for assignments, items that you may have placed in your cart, and more. To make sure that all your information is correct, you'll want to go and click on the user menu or person icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Then click Settings. Then go to Contact Preferences. From this page, you can make sure that the district has all of your appropriate information. You can put in a cell phone, a work phone, and another phone. This could be another family member's cell phone or home phone. You can enter a primary email address. This should be the email address that you check most often. And there's space for a secondary email address that could belong to a different address that you have or the address for a different family member. You can also select the language in which you choose to receive messages. If the phone number is incorrect, you can go in and change it. And now you can set the message preferences for each phone number and select which messages you want to receive. You can do the same thing for each email address that you have on file. Once you're done, it's important to go down to the bottom and click the blue Save button. We'd also like to make sure that you know how to select and pay for fees. If you click Fees, make sure you're looking at the current school year. And from here, you can make optional payments. There are a long list of things you can choose from. Just scroll down and select the ones you want. You can add an ASB card and any number of things. Once you're done, you would go to My Cart and finish the checkout process. If you added something by mistake, you can go to your cart and click Remove.